Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my last video, I showed you that the price line of Stellar has formed another harmonic bullish reversal Gardley move, and from here we can expect a powerful bullish reversal because that has been formed on the weekly time frame. And if the harmonic move forms on the weekly time frame, most of the times the price line reverses back to the upside from there. There are very strong chances for the price reversal. But today, I want to show you another resistance that Stellar has found on the daily time frame, and for the price reversal, breaking out that resistance will be very important, and that can be another very nice entry once we will have a breakout from that resistance. And I want to show you that move as well in today's video. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. So let's move. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame. And we have been watching that this was really very strong support, that the price lines found this support here in the month of December 2020. And the price line was not able to break down the support even after several attempts. We had first attempt here in the month of December, then in the month of June 2021 and July, and here in September. And right now the price line after this attempt has broken down this support recently in the previous week. Even it has broken down the support. Now here we also have a very strong price level support at approximately 22 cents. And I've been telling you that from 22 cents to 20 cents, we have a very strong support zone. Therefore, we can expect a price reversal, because you can see that previously this 22 cents has been breaking as a very strong support here. For 3 weeks, the price line has been trying to break it down but could not break it down. And before that, it was breaking as a very strong resistance here, and also here as well. And right now the price line is again moving down to test this support again. Now, if we take a look at the stochastic here on the weekly time frame, stochastic is suggesting that the market is oversold. And previously, when we were testing the support, the stochastic entered the oversold zone. Then the stochastic gave buying signal from the oversold zone. This blue line crossed up this orange line. That was a buying signal. And the price line followed this signal, and we had a very nice rally. And right now it has again entered the oversold zone. So once we will receive another buying signal by the stochastic, that will be the first signal for the price reversal. But the more powerful signal that I'm expecting can be on the daily time frame. If we switch to the daily time frame, then here price line has formed a down channel. We can see that the price line has found a resistance here, and this is the resistance of the newly formed down channel. And here we also have the support. So once the price line will break out this resistance of the channel, you can see that the price line is testing the resistance more than support. So there is a probability, very high probability, if the price line is testing the resistance more than the support, then it will break out soon. However, we should wait for this breakout. That can be a very nice buying opportunity. At the one side, the situation is really critical, because the stellar is moving down to test a very significant support. But on the daily time frame, if it breaks out from this down channel, that can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity. The price line has formed a bullish reversal setup that I've showed you in my previous video as well. And at the same time, it has formed a down channel that is also considered to be a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. And it is also above a very strong support of 22 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.